As a part of our Xanadu release, we've broadened our network rules content to cover Mastercard. As a refresher, each credit card network has their own set of questionnaires for cardholders, reason codes to categorize types of disputes, which then determine chargeback eligibility per that network. While all networks may encounter similar issues with their disputes, they each build out their own set of content that in turn drives the processing of these disputes. In Xanadu, we've built out the Mastercard questionnaire, which then maps to the related reason codes and ultimately eligibility rules. This content pack will hugely benefit banks that issue Mastercard cards to their customers, as it will simplify and improve the dispute agent's journey to dispute resolution through automating these decisions. ServiceNow will also maintain these rules internally, taking the onus off the banks to upkeep them. Now I'll show you what we've built in the product. If I show you the back end, you can see the subflows and decision tables that have been created for the Mastercard Content Pack. For example, if I choose Determine Mastercard Chargeback Dispute Reason Code, we can see that within the questionnaire, based on what is incorrect about the transaction, what type of dispute it is determined, which ultimately determines the Mastercard reason code here. From the agent perspective, I will create a new dispute case on the workspace for customer Anuraj, who thinks there's been a processing error for a hotel transaction on his card. Once I choose his Mastercard Freedom credit card, the system knows to use the Mastercard reason codes, rules, and eligibility. Once we fill in the relevant information in the questionnaire and move to the Submit Dispute stage of the playbook, the reason code has already populated here. Once a transaction moves to the Investigate stage of the claim, we've already run the inputs received from the questionnaire through the Mastercard Content Pack rules engine and can see on this widget here on the left that no credit should be given. If we hover over this widget, we see why. The chargeback timeframe of 90 days has elapsed before submitting the dispute. If we go to the card dispute transaction itself, we can see again the chargeback eligibility is no and the reason why. Having this information automated into the disputes process for agents will save time and increase successful chargebacks. Thanks so much for watching our demo on the Dispute Content Pack for Mastercard.